Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify fraud protection steps on Capital One, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your fraud protection steps on Capital One, start by logging into your Capital One account. Open your web browser and go to the Capital One website. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the option labeled Security or Fraud Alerts. Click on this section to access fraud protection features. Review the current fraud alerts that are set for your account. Make sure to enable notifications for any suspicious activity. Here, you can select your preferred method of receiving alerts, such as email or text. Next, check your transaction history for any unauthorized charges. If you spot any suspicious transactions, document them for reporting. Return to the fraud protection settings to set up transaction limits if applicable. Consider adding an extra layer of security, such as a unique PIN or password for transactions. If you have not done so already, download the Capital One mobile app. The app will provide real-time notifications about your account activities. In the app, navigate to the security settings just like on the website. Ensure that the app is configured to alert you of any unusual transactions. Review and update your personal information to ensure it is current. Keep your contact information updated so you can receive alerts promptly. Finally, familiarize yourself with the steps to dispute fraudulent charges in case they occur. By following these steps, you can enhance your fraud protection on Capital One. Regularly revisiting these settings will help keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.